Alright, I'm in the middle of the process of making a new batch of gelatin, and I'm using a gelatin that is actually a high bloom skin gelatin, like glue, right? Artist glue. And the formula calls for lots of citric acid, and I had to increase the active ingredients because too much water swells into the gelatin. So I increase the active ingredients, and then I have to, at the end, after I wash it with this new swollen gelatin full of water, I have to add some more gelatin to make it thicker. And I've increased the active ingredients to silver halides, so it should balance out. But I had to put more citric acid, and that didn't go so well with that 240 skin glue. It refuses to gel. So for the last 2 days, I've been adding small amounts of regular photo gelatin, and I've been putting it in a cold sink, sinking the temperature down, trying to form a gelatin. And I finally did. It's now finally forming a gelatin after 2 days, and this will be the last heat sink in a ice bath to make it nice and solidified. That way I can put it in the fridge and leave it for a couple of days while I'm busy in the gallery in Saint-Giron, so it has to be in the fridge for 2 days. And so I'm crushing all this ice. I gotta make it nice, and I made a nice little ice bath for the gelatin that's in a metal container, and I think I can save it. I've been struggling for the last 2 days trying to save this gelatin, and it's going to be okay.